we should not allow user to submit more than 5 days of leave. So to do that, I can use if condition here. If call workday function, and this expects two parameters, start date and end date. If this greater than um, if this minus 1 greater than 5, then you can apply max 5 days leave. Otherwise, no error message. So I'm going to select leave start date as 10th August and return to office date as 15th August. So no errors because I'm going to take leave only for 3 days, 10th, 11th, and 12th. Even if I select 16th as return to my office, also no errors because in that case, it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Even if I select 17th August, also not a problem. I don't get an error. If I select 18th, then I get an error because as soon as I select 18th, my number of leaves applied is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, excluding Saturday and Sunday. So since 6 is greater than 5, I'm going to throw the error message. Now we will implement the last functionality, that is, if the applied leave type is going to be sick, then we don't need a manager's approval. Basically, we are trying to bypass the manager's approval. To do that, I'm going to introduce a script task first. Here, I'll go to properties of the script task, go to the output tab of the script task, and here you can apply your logic. If process variable dot nic dot leave summary dot leave type, if this leave type is going to be a sick, then pass the value as approved. I'm going to pass approved. Otherwise, I'm going to pass process variable ns leave summary dot leave status. We have to pass this to leave summary and the leave status. Click on OK. Next, we have to introduce XOR gate between write to data store and second script task. Next, have a flow between XOR gate and the end node. Next, go to XOR gate properties, go to decision and introduce a new connection. So here you can mention if directly, you can mention the condition, that is process variable ns leave summary and the leave type is equal to sick. Then it should go to end node because we don't want to send it to manager's request. Otherwise, go to script task. So click on OK and save and publish these changes. This looks good. Next, we will test our changes. I'm going to launch this in debugging mode. So I'm going to select start date as 15th August and end date is going to be 17th. My leave type is going to be sick day and I'm going to apply my leave request. Okay, since I have submitted a sick day, it has come to DB Smart Service. After that, it is bypassed the manager's approval and it ended the task. You can see the result over here. This is the last one. It's directly is approved. And next scenario, I'm going to close this. I will test. I will launch this form again. This time I'm going to select 17th August to 18th August. This time I'm going to select vacation and click on apply leave now. So leave is submitted successfully and it is in the manager's queue. This functionality has been implemented successfully. However, I wanted to add a comment when it does not require manager's approval. So to do that, I will go back to the script task, properties, task, parameter 1, output parameter. Go to output parameter, new customer output, open expression mode here. So now we can add our logic. Auto approved and manager's approval is not required. Otherwise, leave summary comment. Save and close. This I will pass it to leave summary comment field. Okay, click on OK. Now again, save and publish. And I'm going to start my process in the debug mode. Again, when I select 16th August and September 7th, obviously it's going to exceed more than 5 days. I'm getting the error message. I will go back to August and I'm going to select 19th August and I'm going to select sick day. So my scenario is going to be I'm going to bypass manager's approval and I wanted to pre-populate the comment field. Click on apply, refresh. It went through script task, write to DB store, smart service, XOR gate, then it bypassed the manager's queue, it went to end node. It completed the task. Now we will go back to database and I'm expecting fourth record with the ID 28 and it is says auto approved and manager's approval is not required. We implemented all 4 new functionality. Thanks for your time. You have a wonderful day.